Yo, what up YouTube? Welcome back to the Nasty Nate channel. Today we're doing some Daytona prep. Check out the Suburban chilling right here. All kinds of stuff in the garage, but don't worry about that right now. We're worrying about Daytona. This is what we're doing today. 3-inch spacers on the rear, 1.5 in the front. I'm hoping I won't have to modify the studs on the front, but we will see when we get to that point. This thing is going to look good on 3-inch spacers in the back. It's finally getting them. Had them sitting around the garage for a little while, and we need to throw these on before we get to Daytona. This is gonna be nasty. Okay, the 3-inch on the rear is definitely a little excessive. It kind of makes the wheel look smaller for some reason. Like it sticks out super far, and it just makes it look like a 20 by 12 almost, but this is gonna be insane looking. It's only like 4 inches of the wheel is under the truck, and then on this side it's like, it seems like the whole wheel is under the truck. That is gonna be nasty. I can't wait. Guys, before we reveal the 3-inch spacers in the rear and the 1.5 in the front, I want to show you something that we just got. We picked up the truck a little bit ago. It's kind of hard to tell when you're in the cab. I'm sure some of you guys already know or already notice, but check this out. See this view right here? Let me open the door. We can't open the window yet because it is tinted. That fresh tint, we gotta wait a few days to roll down the windows. We got 35 on the windshield. Looks super dark with the 20 on the rest. We got 20 on the sides and the back. This thing is just absolutely trashed, dirty. Probably gonna wash this thing before we leave for Daytona, but the Daytona prep is coming along. Let me reveal these spacers for you. Like I said, 3 in the rear, 1.5 in the front. That makes the Chevy stance absolutely perfect because the rear axle is about 3 inches shorter than the front, so the front wheels sit a little bit farther out from the factory. But you can see if we go down like this, they sit perfectly even with each other. So they do look really good. I'm going to put some stickers on this thing for Daytona that we just had made. Check out the sticker we're throwing on. It is a chrome Nasty Nate sticker with a dripping YouTube logo. I thought that would look kind of cool. It might look stupid. If I don't like it, I guess I could cut a straight line across the bottom, but it's gonna say Nasty Nate in chrome. Hopefully it covers most of the back window. I'm gonna show you how to do this. We're gonna use like a Bondo squeegee thing. It's kind of bendy, but also it's like plastic, so still kind of stiff. And then we are going to use glass cleaner. I'm gonna spray the window down, clean the crap out of it, and then I'm going to spray it down and leave the window cleaner on there, and we're gonna squeegee it. Also gonna make some measurements on this thing and probably use a dry erase marker to measure on the window so we can get, hopefully we can get it perfectly centered.
I've been around the block a couple times. I've been strung out and locked up overnight. One thing I don't do well with all goodbyes, and when I hear the voices that take my belt and laces, it might be time for me to sober up, but I just don't think that'll be enough. This high is good, but you...
Guys, this looks so sick. So sick. I'm so excited about this. Oh my god. There's a few bubbles here and there. I might be able to get this one out right here. I guess I'm not a professional at doing the stickers, but that looks damn good for never doing that before. I've done a few, but nothing that big. I guess I need to start wrapping my cars. Maybe we'll wrap this thing chrome next. My god, the chrome looks so good against the black window. I'm so excited about that. That's insane. Absolutely insane. The spacers are on. We got the window tint finally. and the sticker is on the back. I'm just gonna walk around this thing and admire it. Oh, that chrome Nasty Nate sticker pops in the sun. Guys, I really hope you like this video. I hope you enjoy how this truck is coming along. The window tint just gives it a whole nother look. It literally feels like a different truck. And it's honestly crazy. You can't see inside hardly at all. But you get in here and it doesn't even feel like there's window tint on the windows. I mean, that's crazy. I can have whoever I want riding in here and no one's gonna know. Check that out. I really hope you're digging the truck. The sticker sets it off for me. That is gonna look nasty. Hopefully anyone that sees this on the highway checks out the YouTube. And if they don't, they must be crazy. That is nasty. This thing is finally looking how I wanted it to look all along. I waited on the window tint for Daytona just because I thought it was hilarious to keep the fishbowl joke running and running and running. But I'm so glad I did the window tint. It kind of makes me feel like I should have done it a little earlier, but whatever. This thing is so fun to mess with. Huge shout out to all the people that made this come to life. One of my dudes down in Dayton, Ohio named T. Wright. Hit him up if you're close to the Dayton area because he does killer work and he got this thing looking right for Daytona literally 2 days before one day before we're gonna leave. My buddy Mike Whitman for doing the chrome vinyl sticker. He used to run Whitman's Ride Shop here in Dayton, Ohio. Super cool dude. He got this to me literally less than 24 hours later after I gave him the design. I designed this myself in Photoshop to kind of resemble what we do here on the YouTube channel. But if you see the truck in Daytona, make sure you get some pictures. Make sure you send them to me on Instagram, and definitely stop to say hi because I love talking to everybody out there. Talk to a bunch of people at UCC. Hopefully we can meet a bunch more in Daytona. See you guys down there.